Welcome to Math Lesson 23. We're going to get started today with a review of your coins. What coin is this? The penny, and how much is it worth? 1 cent. Very good. What coin is this? Nickel. Good. How much is the nickel worth? 5 cents. What is this coin? Bring it a little closer. It's very big. It's your half dollar. And how many cents is your half dollar worth? 50. Very good. What is this coin? It's a little smaller than the half dollar. This is your quarter. And how much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. What coin is this? This is your dime. And how much is a dime worth? 10 cents. Very good. Let's go to your measures to review those. Here we are. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Good job. Today we're talking about something called an array. Array. Say this with me. Array. A-R-R-A-Y. Array. It's one word, array. An array, that's just a drawing, an illustration of a math fact using columns and rows. Columns are the parts that go up and down. Rows go across. So here are my columns, and here are my rows. So this is an example of an array. It's an array of stars. I can use arrays to show math facts. So in this array, I have 3 rows with 4 stars in each row. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 stars in each row. So I can use this to show a multiplication fact. 3 groups with 4 in each group. So 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 4. How much is 3 times 4? 12. Very good. If you knew that, give yourself a pat on the back. If not, that's okay, because we are going to stop and practice our 4 times table right now, just to give you a little refresher in case you feel like you need it. And even if you don't, let's review anyway. 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 11 equals 44. 4 times 12 equals 48. Excellent job. Okay? Now we are going to make our own array all from scratch, which means from nothing. Well, not quite nothing because we have a math fact. And we're going to make our own array to go with this math fact. So right up here I have 5 times 3. So my array is going to show 5 times 3. So I'm going to say that that's 5 rows with 3 in each row. 5 rows with 3 in each row. And instead of stars, I'm going to do circles this time. So I'm going to show 5 rows of circles with 3 in each row. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. And now I have 1, 2, 3 for each row. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. Okay, make sure that you keep your rows and your columns as neat as possible. You shouldn't draw an array like this. That's not an array, it's a mess, okay? So make sure that your array looks nice and neat with your rows and your columns. All right, now let's write our math fact that goes with 5 times 3. What is 5 times 3? If you don't have it memorized yet, you can always count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And we'll put our answer right there. All right, let's look at your page. Page 45 from your math book. Pause the video and get that if you don't have it out already. Number 1 says, use stars to draw an array for each fact. Write the product. Okay, so you're going to draw stars in the boxes. Remember to make your array nice and neat. Don't let it look like that, okay? That's not pretty, right? That's just a mess. So make it look as nice and neat as possible. Look at the examples in the book, too. So letter A should be 6 times 4. 6 rows with 4 in each row. 8 times 3. So that one is 8 rows with 3 in each row. Make sure you draw them small enough so that they fit in the box. Number 2, write the products. Remember to carry when necessary. So look at the first one. 18 times 3. Start with 3 times 8. That is 24. So you put your 4 down, carry your 2. You always carry the second number. Now you multiply 3 times 1, and that gives you 3, plus the 2 that you carried. 3 plus 2 is 5. So your answer is 54. And you keep going. All right, now look at number 3 on the back of your page. You're going to go hunting for nocturnal animals. Read the clues. Cross out the animal that it is not. Draw a box around the correct animal, and then you can color the pictures, okay? So we're gonna go through, we're gonna find the animal, just like you get to be a detective and you're searching for the right animal. So you have to find the clues to figure out which one it isn't, so you can narrow it down to the only one that's left. Look at the first group. You have a bunch of butterflies there, okay? Your first clue is that it is not 5 times 2 plus 1 minus 7. So what is 5 times 2 plus 1 minus 7? 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, 11 minus 7, 4. So find the butterfly that says 4 and put an X over him. He is not the one. Okay, go to the next clue. 4 times 4 plus 4 minus 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 4, 20. Minus 4, 16. Very good. So find the butterfly that says 16 and cross him out. He's not it either. One more clue. It is not 3 times 5 minus 3 times 2. 3 times 5 is 15. Minus 3, 12. Minus 2, 10. So find a butterfly that says 10 and cross him out. It's not him either. Okay, so you should have one butterfly left. What number is on that butterfly? 12, right? Did you have 12? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Put a box around that butterfly and go on to the next one. Okay? There you are. I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next lesson. Bye.